Welcome students, this is Social Science part 3 of Unit 1, what is history. Today we are going to see about Unit 1, what is history, glossary. Glossary number 1, sources. Sources is a place, person, text or object from which some data can be obtained. What are called sources, children? A place, person, text or object from which some data can be obtained. Next one is ancestor. Ancestor is a person related to you who lived a long time ago. Next one is dharma. Dharma means righteousness, that is the path followed by King Ashoka. Next one is monument. Monument means a statue, building or other structure built by a notable person. For example, Sanchi Stupa built by Ashoka. It's a monument. Next one is inscription. What is inscription? Written records engraved on stones, pillars, clay or copper tablets, caves and wall of temples. What is inscription? Written records engraved on stones, pillars, clay or copper tablets, caves and walls of temples. Next one is historian. A person who excelled in history are called historian. With this, we have come to an end of our Unit 1. Now, we are going to read the book exercise. Exercise number 1. Choose the correct answer. What was the step taken by the early man to collect his food? Option A. Trade. B. Hunting. C. Painting. D. Rearing of animals. Answer. Hunting. What was the step taken by the early man to collect his food? Hunting. Exercise number 2. Match the statement with the reason. Tick the appropriate answer. Statement 1. Prehistoric man went along with the dog for hunting. Reason. Dogs with its sniffing power could find out other animals. Option A. Statement is true but reason is wrong. Option B. Statement and reason are correct. Option C. Statement is wrong and reason is correct. D. Both statements and reasons are wrong. Answer. Statement and reason are correct. That is, prehistoric man went along with dog for hunting because dogs with its sniffing power would find out other animals. Question number 2. The objects used by the early man are excavated. They are preserved to know the lifestyle of the people. Find out which of the following is related to the statement. A. Museum. B. Burial materials. C. Stone tools. D. Bones. Answer. Museum. Question number 3. Find out the wrong pair. Old Stone Age, stone tools, rock paintings, wall of the caves, copper plates, a source of history, cats first domesticated. Answer. Cats first domesticated. Question number 4. Find out the hard one. A. Paintings were drawn on rocks and caves. There were paintings depicting hunting scenes. It was drawn to show his family members about hunting. D. The paintings were painted by using many colors. The hard one is D. That is, the paintings were painted by using many colors. Exercise 3. Fill in the blanks. First one. The old Stone Age man lived mostly in caves. The old Stone Age man lived mostly in caves. Second one. Herodotus is the father of history. Who is the father of history? Herodotus. Third one, dog was the first animal tamed by Old Stone Age man. Dash was the first animal tamed by Old Stone Age man? Dog. Fourth one, inscriptions are archaeological sources. Inscriptions are dash sources, archaeological sources. Fifth one, Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes. Ashoka Chakra has dash spokes, 24 spokes. Fourth exercise is true or false. First one, stone tools belonging to Old Stone Age have been excavated at Athirampakkam near Chennai. True. What is the answer? True. Stone tools belonging to Old Stone Age have been excavated at Athirampakkam near Chennai. True. Second one, the materials used by the ancient people are preserved in the museums by the archaeological department. What is the answer? True. The materials used by the ancient people are preserved in the museums by the archaeological department. True. Third one, during the period of Ashoka, Buddhism spread across the country. What is the answer? True. During the period of Ashoka, Buddhism spread across the country is true. Fifth exercise is match the following. Rock paintings to understand the lifestyle. What is the answer for rock paintings? To understand the lifestyle. Second one, written records. Written records answer is copper plates. Written records, copper plates. Third one is Ashoka. Who is Ashoka? The most famous king. Ashoka, the most famous king. Fourth one is religious literature. Religious literature is Devaram. Religious literature is Devaram. Children, go through these exercises and practice at home. I will send the PDF through WhatsApp. Please download and revise. I hope this class was helpful. Thank you.